an item number in a movie called Bacha Bacha Dunga, and it's a very different kind of an item number. You know, trust me, it's very different than the regular run-of-the-mill, rustic, folksy kind of item numbers you hear. And I hope it wins your heart because it's a lovely song. I hope you like it too.
एक्चुअली इसी के अंदर हमारी मूवी का सस्पेंस छुपा है कि हीरो ने देखा किसको पहली बार, इस हीरोइन को देखा या इस हीरोइन को देखा. So for that you will have to go and watch the movie.
So it's obviously a suspense in it, like as we said earlier.
Is it a suspense movie? No, it's a love story with suspense.
I mean, but that's got the suspense. That's the suspense in it. It's a mixture. It's a mixture of things. So you guys definitely have to watch it.